In this video, we are going to learn how you can add assignments to your LearnDash courses. So let's get started. We are using the LearnDash demo site for this tutorial. And to do this, first we are going to hover mouse over LearnDash LMS and go to courses. The LearnDash demo site gives us some courses to work with. So let's select this first course. We're going to click on edit and we're just going to directly go to the builder, and we can see there are some lessons over here. If you want to learn how to create courses with LearnDash or how to create quizzes, certificates, etc., we have tutorials on these topics. You can find those tutorials in the video description. Now, to add the assignment, what we are going to do is choose a lesson first. Now, all these lessons are empty. We can also add new topics within those, but we're going to directly add the assignment to the lesson. So let's click on edit. And after you go to the lesson, so here is the lesson, we're going to go to the settings tab over here. And in the assignment uploads, we're going to enable this feature. Next, for file extension, we are going to add what kind of files the students will be able to upload. If you click over here, you're going to get some help. Specify the type of files users can upload. Leave blank for any. If you leave this blank, it's going to accept any file types, but we're going to specify some files. We have specified our file types, and in the file size limit, you can add the limit of the file size that students will be able to upload. So we're going to add only 2 MB, but depending on your server, you can add more. For points, we are going to enable it and add 5 points. So this will be the full point. And for grading, we can add auto approve or manually grade. We're going to select the manually grade because I think the nature of this assignment requires manual grading, but you can choose auto approval if it's necessary. The next option is limit number of uploaded files. So you can limit the number of uploads the students will be able to make. You can make 2, 3. We are just going to add 2 over here. And we're also going to enable the allow file deletion. So if we click over here, it says allows the user to delete their own uploaded files. This is only possible up until the assignment has been approved. So students might mistakenly upload files. So in that case, we want to give them the ability to remove that and re-upload the correct assignment. So we're going to enable this. The next option is forced lesson timer. Now, you won't be able to enable this feature if the video progression or assignments feature are enabled. Since we are using the assignment upload, we won't be able to enable this feature. Now, there are more settings, but we're simply going to stick with the assignment uploads. We're going to click on Save Changes. And if we go to the lesson page, we don't see the changes right here, but if we click on View Lesson, it's going to open up the course page, and here you can see the assignment interface has been added. Now, students can simply select files. So let's go ahead and upload a file, and then we're going to click on the upload button. Now, you can see that the delete feature is still over here. So if students think that they have uploaded the wrong assignment or the wrong file, they will still be able to remove it and re-upload the proper file. And now it's waiting review. Now let's see how the instructors will be able to evaluate and grade this assignment. Instructors will be able to grade this from the WordPress admin dashboard, so they can go to LearnDash LMS, and from here they can go to the assignments. And this is the assignment that we just submitted. We can assign points from here and then click on approve. We can also click on download to download the file and see if everything is okay. Again, if we take a look at the profile page, so if we go to the profile, and from here we can click on assignments, and here we can see that one submission has been made for lesson 1. If we click on submissions, here is the assignment. Instructors will be able to grade points from here. They will be able to download the assignment. So if we click on download, now we can view the PDF file because that's the file we uploaded from here. Okay, so let's close it up. And after we have read it, we can simply click on approve and it will be graded. So that is how you can upload or add assignments to your LearnDash courses and evaluate those assignments, add grade points, and make your course more engaging and interactive. Now, before we end this video, let's take a look at the pricing page because LearnDash doesn't have a free version. If you want to use it, you have to purchase it. So LearnDash, the base plugin, has 3 plans. which starts from 1 site, 10 sites, and unlimited sites. So the 1 site license costs $199 a year. The 10 site licenses cost $399 a year, and the unlimited site licenses cost $799 a year. Regardless of which plan you purchase, you get all the features of LearnDash, such as the drag and drop course builder, AI course outline and quiz builder, easy assignment management, which we have already seen, team collaboration tools, sell course subscriptions, memberships, bundles, and one-time purchases, and much more. Now, if you want to purchase some LearnDash add-ons, you can also purchase those from here: group management, instructor roles, gradebook, notes, etc. And if you want to purchase a bundle, that's also possible. So you can get the Ultimate Course Creator Pack, which consists of the LearnDash LMS plugin, which is this one. Plus, you also get more add-ons such as Pro Panel 3.0, Instructor Role, Group Management, Ratings, Reviews, and Feedbacks, etc. In case you want to get the add-ons as well and LearnDash, getting the bundles is a better idea because it saves you much more. Now, LearnDash also has the LearnDash Cloud, so let's also take a look at this. If you want a fully hosted LearnDash LMS solution, then getting the LearnDash LMS Cloud could be a good idea. This takes care of all the hosting, domains, daily backups, and all these tasks for you so that you can focus on creating and selling your online courses in LearnDash. So that brings us to the end of this video. We hope that this was helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos such as this one. So thank you for watching. See you next time.